What's up, insurance people? In this video I'm going to show you how to connect this domain that I just bought, emailmarketingforinsuranceguys.com, to your MailChimp account. Sorry, I'm making all of these videos at once. Okay, so you should get a notification email from Namecheap. It says like, here's all the stuff that you bought. Okay, and then you should get another email once you set up your hosting account with your logins to something called cPanel. Okay, and I'll go over what cPanel is in a second, but before we do that, what you're going to do after you purchase your domain, you're going to click on Manage right here. Okay, so we click on Manage, then you're going to find your domain. Where is my domain? Here, Email Marketing for Insurance Guys. Click on Manage. And what we are going to do here is just make one quick change and then log into something called cPanel. Okay, so we're just going to change this right here. It says name servers. You don't really need to understand what this means right now. Just kind of like follow the instructions. You change it from basic DNS, which is what it's going to be, and we're going to change it to web hosting DNS. Click this little check mark. And that's it. Okay, it's going to say DNS server may update may take up to 48 hours. In my experience, it happens pretty much right away, so you don't have to worry about that. And then let's see if we got our, should get a notification. All right, so anyway, after you buy your hosting, okay, which is not the domain, this is the domain. Hosting is basically where you keep all of your domains. Think of it like hosting is the container, the domain is what you put in the container. All right, you will get a login, you will get login details, like username and password for something called cPanel. cPanel is this right here. It'll take you to a page. I keep my links here, so I don't have to type it in the whole time. It's my username, this is my password. I've got the saved password here, and you're going to click on Login. That's going to take you into cPanel. Now, what you are going to do here is, let's see here. No, this is email accounts. We are going to do a few things. Okay, first thing, we are going to open, where is it? Addon Domains. Okay, so we're going to open Addon Domains. And again, this is not stuff that you actually need to know. Insuranceguys.com. You don't need to actually understand why we're doing this. It's just important that you do it. Because again, what we want to do here is just kind of be practical. I'm assuming you have limited technical knowledge. So let's just get the email marketing campaign set up so that you can send out your emails and start getting leads and making money. Okay, so you type in your information here, email marketing for insurance guys. For you, it'll be Bob Jones Insurance, whatever. Click on Add Domain. We should get a notification saying that the domain was added and that everything is hunky-dory. Of course, because I'm recording a video. Okay, there we go. Okay, the add-on domain, blah, 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 has been created. Namecheap is offering 1 year of positive SSL for new add-on domains. You can install a Namecheap SSL plugin. So SSL means secure socket layer, which is basically where you see a green lock right here. Let's look at one of my other. If we look at Easy Social Growth, hopefully this will have the green lock. Yeah, so, or maybe it's just a normal lock. Okay, yeah, so it's not green, I guess. So connection is secure. That is good. That means that you won't trigger any, antivirus stuff when people try to go to your website. Okay. All right. So we're going to scroll down all the way, click on Install, and then we're going to click on Install Certificates. Now, okay, just because we bought a domain does not mean you actually have to set up a website. Okay, I just want to make that clear. We bought the domain so that we can send emails out from this domain. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do that. I keep saying I'm going to show you how to do it now, but I guess I just keep forgetting that there's a lot of extra stuff that you need to do. Okay, so that will happen soon. And then what we're going to do is, yeah, that's it. Okay, so I'll actually show you this in the next video, so this one doesn't run too long. But in the next video, I'm going to show you how to set it up so that you're actually sending emails from that domain.